Hi guys, welcome back to the SSBeauty YouTube channel, and today we're doing something really exciting with our friend here, Monisha, who's a celebrity tarot card reader. As you can tell by the title of the video, Monisha here will predict the year 2024 for all the zodiac signs, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna recommend you the perfect fragrance to go with it. So Monisha, what is the year 2024 going to look like for all of us?
2024 totals to an 8, which is the number of Saturn. And in tarot and astrology and numerology, it is of course the year of justice. It is the year of Saturn. And if we look at the card as well, it is the card of justice. And this clearly means that you will be rewarded for all your patience, all your hard work, all your good karma, whatever you have done in the past, you will definitely land up getting the benefits of it. And if your karma is not so great, you will get the benefit of that as well. So I would say benefit or punishment, I'm not really sure what is the right word, but yes, basically as you sow you shall reap. That is going to be the law of the year, and this is going to be the motto of 2024.
Alright, so let's get started and take on each zodiac sign individually.
So should we start with Aries?
Yes.
And that is of course the first zodiac sign in the 12th zodiac sign. So Aries, the card that you're getting is the card of temperance, which clearly means that this year you have to stay in balance. So for you, balance is very important, mentally, emotionally, physically, and even professionally, and even between your personal and your professional life, the balance is very key. And very importantly, mental health has to be paid attention to this year, because mental health balance is very important, because temperance is also about keeping your mind in balance. So that is why we speak a lot about mental health. And for 2024, I would say that mental health is like key. And before, I would like to tell everybody before we go ahead that it is very important to keep your yin and yang, which is basically your female and male energy, in balance. So basically, don't be like too aggressive or don't be too subdued.
That's great.
Yeah.
So it sounds like Aries could use a little bit of this Chloe Rose Naturelle Intense perfume. It has these amazing rosy notes, but it maintains a nice balance with its woody and citrusy notes as well. I think that's the perfect significance of maintaining a balance between your personal and your professional life and your mental health. I think that's perfect.
Yes, absolutely. And I think as a bonus, I would like to give each and every sun sign a special angel card reading. So that's going to be the highlight for you. So let's start with Aries and let's see what is your angel message for 2024. And for you, it is let go. So let go for what's not working out and surrender to the universe and the divine, because that is very important. So should we talk about the second sun sign, which is Taurus?
Yes, let's go.
Okay, so Taurus, for you, you're getting the card of the world. Wow, so this is one of my favorite cards in tarot, and the world is all about travel, traveling to new places, and it looks like you're ready to jet set on some new adventures and some new escapades, and some new adventures are awaiting you. Well, I would like to also mention that the world also does indicate you getting some sort of personal desire fulfilled, or something getting fulfilled in your world. Maybe you're getting married, maybe you're having a child, maybe some professional gains, some professional goals, something very positive on the horizon for you.
And if somebody's personal desire is to travel the world, I think this is the best prediction you can ever get.
Absolute card, because the world is indicative of you jet setting around the world as well. So it also does indicate a lot of travel for you.
Great. So Taurus, it looks like you might be really enticed by the idea of travel and adventure in 2024. And I feel like Arcelia's Santorini Starlight would be the perfect push you need to manifest that vacation. Like, go book your tickets.
So let's give them quickly their angel message so that they're all happy and excited as well. So for you, it's to reconsider. So there are a lot of decisions this year that you may need to reconsider. So in short, don't do anything in a haste, because haste is always a waste. And I always say that, it's always better to be patient and think things through before you go ahead. So you need to maybe reconsider a few decisions. Just don't be very impulsive and in a hurry this year. Just take your time and reconsider everything.
So maybe don't book those tickets just yet.
No.
Think a little. Rethink a little.
time for the third sun sign, which is Gemini. So let's see what's in store for you. What is your card of the year for 2024? You're getting the card of the sun. Again, one of my favorite cards of the deck, because this is the brightest and happiest card in in tarot. And this card indicates you shining bright like the sun and really moving towards your success. This is a card of personal growth, personal enhancement, and of course, it is also a card of success, of money, of abundance, of opportunities, of marriage, of career growth, of personal growth. It is just the happiest card in the deck. So I think for you, you're going to be shining as bright as the sun.
Wow, I think Gemini is in for a really good year. I cannot suggest a better perfume than the Armani Acqua Di Gio, because it has this aquatic scents which are so ecstatic, cheerful and optimistic, and also it smells expensive. So that money you're going to be making in 2024, this aligns completely right with that.
Wow, that's very exciting. But let's see what's the angel message for 2024.
Let's
So
see.
we're going to shuffle and figure a nice card. Okay, so helpful people, which means you're going to get a lot of help this year. Like I said, it's a year of happiness, success, and growing and, shining bright like the sun. So definitely the angels are telling you that you're going to get a lot of help and you're going to meet a lot of helpful people in 2024.
It sounds like Gemini has some good karma
Yes?
in 2024 and you're reaping the results.
Absolutely.
Amazing.
Cancerians, let's see what's in store for you for 2024 and what's your card of the year. So for you, it's coming the Magician. Again, I really love this card because this is all about coming into your personal power and your personal growth of 2024. And 2024 is all about coming into your personal energy. It's also about manifestation. It's about self-respect, self-love, self-care. It all begins with self. And I would like to tell you, the Magician is, you really got to believe in yourself, Cancerians, this year. Because if you believe in yourself, the universe will surely reward you. And people will also believe in you, because I really do believe when the internal is sorted, then the external gets automatically sorted.
That's very true. For the Cancerians, we have the Carolina Herrera Good Girl Blush. I feel like the feminine fragrance of this perfume meets with the striking notes, and I think that's the perfect combination you need for a year where you need the self-love, self-confidence coming into your energy. This is the perfume for you this year.
Yeah, absolutely. Sounds great. But now let's quickly give them their angel message.
Okay.
So, Cancerians, for you is within the next few months, you can expect some positive changes in your life. So, initially, if the year is not starting on a complete high, I don't think you should be that disappointed, because the angels are telling you that within the next few months, things will really start moving. So now let's talk about a very special sun sign, which is Leos, and they are obviously very strong because they're ruled by the lion. And let's see what's in store for you. What is your card of the year?
Let's check it out.
So you get the card of Hermit. So I think for you this year, it's all about deep introspection. It's about going within. It's about thinking about your personal and professional goals of 2024. It's also about spirituality. The card is indicative towards Jupiter because it definitely does indicate your luck getting enhanced this year financially. And Jupiter's, of course, ruling color is yellow.
Actually, that works out perfectly because the fragrance we picked out for Leo is the Versace Yellow Diamond.
Wow, that's amazing.
So it has these sophisticated yet airy notes which signify abundance, like spiritual growth. And I think this works out perfectly for the year 2024, Leos.
Yeah, absolutely. And of course, for Leos, let's quickly see what is their special angel message. So for you, you're getting, yes, a lot of things will manifest for you this year. You just have to believe in yourself. You just have to have the faith and confidence. And yes, it's such a super card to get. So it's an amazing card from the angels. So now it's time to talk about my favorite sun sign. Can you guess why it's my favorite sun sign?
Is it because it's yours?
Yes, absolutely. We're going to talk about Virgo. So let's see what's for you the card of the year and what's indicative for you for 2024. So you're getting the card of the Empress, which is again one of my favorite cards. It's the Lakshmi card in tarot. It's also the card connected with money and prosperity. And it's also a card of self-pampering, self-love, self-care. And it's also a card of luxury and luxurious goods. And also, let me tell you, it is the ruling card of Venus. So basically for women, this is a very good year. And I would like to say that you will definitely be able to have an experience, a luxurious life, and have a great year ahead. And it's also a very good card for those those of you who are planning a child, or for those of you who are pregnant or about to have a child, this is also a super year for you regarding all that.
So when you talk about the Empress card, the only three words that come to my mind are feminine, graceful and noble. And there's no better fragrance than the Elizabeth Arden white tea to pair your 2024 with. It's a simple and clean fragrance with striking notes, and it perfectly embodies the Empress card.
Yeah, absolutely. But now let's quickly see what is the angel message for Virgos. So you're getting the card of remain positive. What a lovely card. So, Virgos are a little practical, so they tend to get a little negative or pessimistic at times. So definitely for you, this is a very apt card to remain positive and believe that everything's going to work out for you. So now let's talk about Librans or Libra. So let's see what's in store for you and what's your card for 2024. So Libra, you're getting the card of the Emperor, which clearly indicates that you need to take charge of your life, of yourself, of 2024. The authority and the charge and everything needs to be in your hands, and you also need to make a lot of assertive decisions in 2024. You also need to take care of your health, and you need to be very much in control of your health. And this is a card about being in control of every situation in your life and being able to handle everything yourself. So it's all about self-control and self-charge.
I think Librans will be really happy to hear that, since they really like the balance.
Yeah.
And they also like to be the crowd puller. And that's why our recommendation for Librans is this Ralph Lauren Ralph's Club fragrance. It has these woody, fresh notes in a perfect balance, and it is definitely the Mr. Popular crowd puller fragrance that you will require in 2024.
Now let's quickly see what is the angel card.
Let's do it.
So Librans, for you, you're getting ask your angel. So wherever you're feeling you need guidance, or you're not very sure about what decisions to make or how to go ahead in your future, you need to contact your guardian angels. And how do you do that? Is by simply connecting to yourself and connecting to your higher self, and just sending like a mental message that, hey angels, I would really like your help. What do you think I should do? And intuitively you will know automatically what to do.
So Librans, look out for those 11-11s and 12-12s.
Yes, absolutely. So now let's talk about Scorpions or Scorpio. So let's see what's in store for you and what is your special card, Scorpio. So for 2024, your card is coming of the Lovers. It is all about love and passion in 2024. For singles, this is a good year to mingle and find maybe your special one. For those of you who are already in a commitment or a relationship, then you can definitely look at going deeper into your commitment. And for those of you who are married, you can definitely be more romantic and loving with your partner and work towards your romance. And as the card indicates, it's all about passion and love in 2024.
Wow, so Scorpions sound like they are in for a very passionate 2024.
Yes.
And what better perfume to suggest than the Guess Seductive Red? It has these flirty, floral and fruity notes that fit perfectly with their romance-filled 2024.
So let's quickly see what is their special angel message. So you're getting it's up to you, which clearly indicates that it's totally up to you to take your calls, your decisions, and be very, very sure about what you want. And don't be influenced by other people, and basically follow your own heart and desire. So now it's time to talk about a sun sign I'm also very fond of, which is Sagittarius or Sagittarians. So I would like to tell you what's your card of the year for 2024. So for you, it is the card of the Chariot, and it really fits Sagittarians because, this is the card about focused, about staying dedicated, about moving ahead and, pulling your chariot along, you fulfilling your family duties, work duties, personal duties, responsibilities, and, basically manifesting whatever you want or moving ahead with a very positive mindset.
So Saggies, sounds like you're in for a very adventurous 2024, and you should take the YSL Libra to accompany you through this adventure. It is a very light yet bold fragrance. The fragrance notes signify that it belongs to a person who can do it all, which sounds exactly like you.
Wow, that's amazing. Now let's quickly see what is their angel card of the year. The angel card of the year is a year from now, which means it is possible that this year you may not get all your desires fulfilled because, like I said, it's all about hard work, it's all about dedication, it's all about doing your duties. So maybe a year from now, you will be able to enjoy the rewards of all of this. So now let's talk about Capricorns and let's see what's in store for you and what is your card of the year. So for you, you're getting the card of Wheel of Fortune, which is again one of my favorite cards because it's all about good luck, good stars, destiny, and the stars smiling upon you and the wheel truly spinning in your favor. So I do see you getting your justice this year, and I do see a lot of good opportunities coming to you along with your good stars and opportunities.
Wow, that sounds like a great year for Capricorns as well. And we feel like the Burberry Goddess, the new launch by Burberry, is the perfect fit to accompany you for 2024. It's got these beautiful vanilla notes, and historically vanilla was used in temples and for good luck charms.
Wow, that's amazing. But now I'm sure Capricorns really want to know what is their angel card for 2024. So let's quickly take a look at that. I would say within the next few weeks. Wow, what a lovely card to get. So definitely there is movement for you within the next few weeks itself, like I mentioned about the Wheel of Fortune kind of spinning in your favor. So it all begins in a few weeks. So now let's talk about Aquarians or Aquarius, and I would like to tell you what is your card for 2024. So for you, you're getting the card of the Hangman, which clearly indicates that you really need to look at life from a different perspective or from a different viewpoint than your regular outlook. This is also a card of surrendering and letting go and letting the divine and the universe decide what's best for you in 2024. So if you feel something's not working out, just let go and let the universe decide for you.
But one thing that's definitely going to work out for them this year is this Dolce & Gabbana Devotion fragrance. It is one of the newest launches by the brand, and it is a warm and sweet fragrance with intense and unconventional notes, and that's just what they need this year.
Wow, sounds amazing. But let's quickly give them also their angel card for the year for 2024.
Let's do that.
So they're getting the same card a year from now, which clearly means that they need to wait a little bit. Like I said, this is a year about sacrifices and changes and opportunities, but it may be only once you learn to surrender and let go. But after a year, you will definitely see the rewards of all your hard work. And so now let's talk about the last sun sign, which is Pisces, and let's see what's in store for you for 2024. So your card of the year is the Hierophant. Again, a very happy, positive card, but this is a hard-working card, which means you really need to stay committed to whatever you want to do in 2024, be it personally, be it professionally, or be it towards your health, be it towards your family, be it towards anything. This is also a marriage card. For those of you who are looking to get married, this could be a special year for you, or for those of you who are planning your marriage, this is definitely a year of staying committed and going ahead with your personal desires.
We would like to recommend the Prada Luna Rosa Ocean for the Pisces for 2024, because just like the Pisces, this perfume represents duality in its nature. The name suggests ocean, but the notes are woody and fresh. I think Pisces would be very well represented this year by the Prada Luna Rosa Ocean.
Wow, sounds good. But now quickly, let's give them the angel card as well, because I think they really want to know what's in store. Oops. The cards are popping out, which means they're very anxious to give Pisces their absolute angel message. So let's see what's in store for you. Not the right time, which means certain things could not be the right time for you this year, but there's no need to get disheartened with that, because God's timing is always perfect. And I always say that better late than never, and God's delays are not God's denials.
So Manisha, we had a lot of fun getting to know what 2024 year holds for all of the zodiac signs.
Yeah, absolutely. And I loved predicting for all the zodiac signs, and I loved giving them the angel message, which is so close to my heart.
Guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, then like this video, leave a comment below, but not before subscribing to the SSBeauty YouTube channel. Bye.
Bye-bye.